Yo, it's your boy iCrackTech24, and I'm gonna give you a gameplay of me at whatever it's called. I don't remember this map, but I did pretty good. This guy was talking trash while I was playing, so I didn't do so well. But yeah. But I'm gonna fast forward to some of the parts that I didn't do good at. Did do good at, like when it gets kind of boring or something like that. So yeah. And here's a fail coming up soon, like a big fail, but then I got that. And then I'm gonna fast forward it a little bit. I'll go back. There we go. There we go. And there's a fail coming up here too. I should have had him, but I had a stupid suppressor on it. But add me on PS3 is Google Maps, but the P is the P is a Q. I don't know why I put a Q because that was the closest thing for Google Maps. And then yeah, so I hope you guys like. This is a little bit of a hard scope, but it's free for all, you know. So it should be fine, I think. But yeah, I did pretty good, but see, yeah, some of the kids that play on here are really newbie. Like, I should have had that kill. I'm just gonna fast forward because I had some deaths on this. A couple of deaths. I just don't want to make this gameplay or thing just a little bit slow. And I might skip some kills because I just want to get this video up because I don't want it to be too long because then it'd be boring. I don't know how I got that one guy. But yeah, I have an Xbox too, but I don't like it. Or it just doesn't work no more. It doesn't work. So that's why I played PS3. And it's kind of wobbly because I'm using one hand while videotaping this. And I should have had that guy. And it pissed me off when I couldn't kill him. But I'm going to fast forward a little bit. Let me see if there's a kill coming up here. Nope. Should have had him. But there's a kill coming up here. And I do not have a mod. I have a fast trigger finger on my pistol. Everybody says I have a mod, but PS3 is so easy to use a pistol. And then this kid, I don't know what I got. I shot on that brick over there. And then from here, did good. Look at what my score was. And then, yeah. I have a very fast trigger finger, people say. Then I got my pred here that I didn't use until I got my other kill streak. I got that kid. And then I got the Envision Karma. I didn't like him. He was talking trash. So if you see him, report him, please. He is not that good. He kind of cheats. He has a mod. But, you know, everybody has a mod, but still, it's really annoying. But yeah. Should have had that guy, but no, I'm not always gonna get the guy with the pistol, you know. Should have had him too. This should be coming up to a wrap soon. Let me skip it a little bit because some of the kills, I should have had this kid, but I'm fast forwarding it because I don't want the video too long. Fast forward a little bit more. Got him. Got him. And I got a guy here and I die right when I get him. Yeah, that Envision guy wasn't that good anyways. And here it is. Last kill. Boom. Last kill. And I slowed that down. There it is. See you guys later. Comment, rate, subscribe, and thumbs up. See you guys later.